This is the Mercedes B-Class 2011-2019, the second generation, and a lot of people ask if it has the spare tire, spare wheel. And if you look here, I have an electric one, so I have a charger, and I have a plastic toolbox and the tow hook, but I don't even have the jack in this car. Not speaking about the spare wheel, spare tire. So why this happens? Because a lot of Mercedes B-Class models were sold initially with run flat tires. So the tires are on flat. It means you can drive them for 50-80 kilometers after you have a puncture in your tire, after you lose pressure in the tire. So you can drive for about 50 kilometers without any problems, and that's why Mercedes thought, why not spare some money and not include any spare tire in this place. So what a lot of people do, they will buy a jack, they will buy a set of tools for changing the tire, and they will put a small spare wheel, donut spare wheel, in their cargo space. Unfortunately, it takes some cargo space, but this is something you will want to do if you don't buy the run flat tires. I'm pretty sure that this car doesn't have run flat tires anymore, and if I have a puncture in this car, I will need to call a tow truck and pay a lot of money to get my car onto the tire service, tire shop. So what you want to do is to include the donut spare wheel in this car, unless you have these run flat tires.